What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. What y'all want to see first, man? Looks like 2 blocks from the beach, but yeah. We got the pool, the oasis. Okay. I don't think we should touch none of this. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. As you can see, y'all done made it to the new Jennings Boys Winter Oasis, man. Come on in. Let me show y'all how we living for this winter, man. As you can see, we done upgraded this year, man. We in the house this time, man. Doing bigger and better things for 23, man. So I'm telling everybody, make sure y'all start doing bigger. Start thinking big. Stop thinking little and start thinking big and doing better things, man. But yeah, we done made it back South Florida, Miami. Well, actually, we in Broward this time. We in Broward, tucked off. We like 5 minutes away from the beach, like 2 blocks from the beach. But yeah, it's the new Player Palace. That's what I was calling it. Player Palace. Player Palace. Player Palace, man. They got this mug all remodeled. It's the kitchen. Love this kitchen. I can't wait to cook in here. I ain't even see this. Wine cooler. So we might have liquor in there, liquor and champagne. Oh, we put the bottles in there. Big bottles. We're about to go to the liquor store. We need some big bottles. Big bottles. I ain't even see the microwave tucked off right here. But yeah, y'all, this is the kitchen right here. I love these cabinets, these dark cabinets. I love these stainless steel handles they got on here. Look very modern. And then this hidden right here refrigerator. I don't know if I like this better, if I would rather have a big stainless steel one. I don't know what y'all think, man. Go in the comments, let me know what y'all think. Would y'all rather have this? The matching cabinet is very unique. What's this? Oh, them just cabinets, little pantries. Would y'all rather have a matching refrigerator with the cabinets, or would y'all rather have a big stainless steel? One thing this don't got is the ice and water machine. We got ice right there though. And you already know, all I'm drinking is that alkaline water, so it doesn't matter. We still gotta go to the store. Gotta go to the store and stock up, man. What y'all wanna see first, man? We're gonna say the best for last. Let's go ahead and go. Well, this is the living room. Let me show y'all the living room. Got a couple couches in here. I love how they got the TV mounted on the wall, but it's also tucked into the wall, so it's like flush. I like that. That's dope. We got cable this time. We actually got cable this time and not just internet. What is the internet? I need to figure out what the internet. I love these big mirrors. It never goes wrong with these mirrors. The see-through door, cool, got a little tip, but I don't really like the see-through door thing. I rather have, I like it, but I want to put a, might have to get a blind and put a blind right here, one of them pull-down blinds. Mm-hmm. Ones that you can just pull down and pull up. Yeah, need one.
This neighborhood seems pretty.
Oh yeah, the neighborhood nice and quiet. Quiet neighbors. Neighbors got whips. You see, we got the C8 outside, man. It's about to get hella content with the C8. About to show South Florida the best C8 in the world. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Man, we got the dually. And I might have a couple surprises for y'all for the dually. We might be doing some stuff to the dually while we down here. I got a couple little small ideas. I don't know if I want to do them down here or do them back home. I don't know. We're going to see the price. We're going to get some stuff priced. See the price differences. The dining room table with the balls, the 3 nuts. Some more mirrors, some more decorations. Some wine glasses, drink glasses. Y'all see what y'all gonna see we're gonna say the best for last. Y'all see what's going on back there. Let's hurry up before it get dark outside. With a master bedroom, where I'm gonna be staying at. Got the big walk-in shower with the double header. Call it the double header. You know what I'm saying? Back to back. When you pull up back to back, or you got 2 of them double header. Got this expensive ass toilet right here. One thing I don't like is that it ain't like no vanity or like cabinet vanity to put stuff in, but it's got a drawer, I think. Yeah, that got a drawer, so we good with that. Just the room back here. King size bed. I like these mirrors on the wall, you know what I'm saying? So when you back over here, you can see yourself on the wall, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. TV on the wall. Can't go nowhere without the Xbox, you know what I'm saying? Probably won't play it, but gotta have it on deck just in case. Motherfucker dusty as hell. Don't nobody love me and shit. I'm supposed to have a new Xbox, but this is the same old ass Xbox. It's cool though. We'll get us a new one. Got the closet right here. Bunch of clothes. I'm gonna unpack some stuff. I think I brought enough clothes for the winter time. I'm salty. I ain't bring no shorts, no basketball shorts. What was I thinking? No basketball shorts. I could have swore I packed some. I knew I was gonna only packing one day, so I figured I'd forget some stuff. But you know, all you gotta be. I don't even want to show y'all what I be wearing. I'm gonna try to steal my sauce. You know, I'm gonna be smelling good. Picture right there. Bam. I swing back over here. Got 2 more bedrooms over here. Those quick flip those. Bam. He in there. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm just chilling, man. You know, it's a long ride.
Why you laying?
To get to the palace. Now
Why you laying like that though?
Why you laying?
I'm just kicked back. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Chilling, man. Watching this little bitty.
We got a 15-inch flat.
Yeah, watching that little flat. For real.
I think it's a bathroom over there, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a
that's
bathroom.
over there.
Bathroom over there. Shit everywhere though. But you look about the same as the other bathroom for real. Mm-hmm. Same setup. Same setup. Man. Got another bathroom right here.
I love this wall.
I'm gonna turn the light on this one. Here we go.
With the floors.
Another bathroom right here. Shower. Then we got the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom right here. We got family coming down. So we're gonna be giving plenty of content. Y'all need to go message Otto Perk, man. Ask him when he coming down. Keep telling him he need to figure it out and come on so we can get this content. He said he coming though, so we're gonna be seeing him. But come on, let's go back here before it gets too dark, man. We're gonna be getting plenty of content back here. This is my favorite part. These doors slide all the way open. Boom. Boom. We slide them all the way down and open them up. We got the pool, the Oasis. The Oasis. Yeah, it's nice back here. Oh, yeah, we can big chill back here. Couches. I ain't even peeped these couches.
I seen them earlier.
Couches.
I love these trees.
Palm trees. We got the umbrellas for the shade.
Layout chairs.
We got a clock back here with the thermometer on here. What's the hydrometer?
I don't know, but I hear lizards moving.
I think the hydrometer.
Do you hear them?
Yeah, I think the hydrometer tell you
Humidity.
Like, the humidity, yeah. Then we definitely gonna be having some cookouts. Oh, I know you want some motherfucking lemon butter chicken.
I do.
Chicken, we got the grill right there. Some umbrellas. What is that? Airplane?
I hear it, I don't see it. We'll go show them the tiki bar.
Tiki bar.
And the hot tub.
Couch right here. So I'm gonna call this Love Island right here. This Love Island. You wanna go to Love Island?
Mm.
We got the tiki bar.
This tiki bar is cute.
Serve drinks right here. Come on, fucking.
Where's your sister? Is she a bartender?
Yeah, we need that bartender.
Why is this water moving though? Is there a lizard or
I gotta
something?
figure out how to turn it on. It shoots over.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna figure out how to turn it on.
It's like vibrating. I thought maybe a lizard or something was in it.
Nah, it shoots over.
This view right here is
Shoots
so
over.
pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. I know the pool gotta have some kind of lights. I'm about to figure out how to turn them on. Gotta have lights. It's back here, y'all. Tucked out back here.
Little gravel
I
walkway.
seen a lizard.
Where?
Just seen a lizard, but I don't. And it's cool that it's tucked off back here, but I feel like it should be. I don't know. Hot tub. Oh, the hot tub got lights. We'll figure out how to turn that on later. We definitely gonna be in here, y'all. That little light ain't doing nothing. We need a real light.
No, it's too
Look
dark
at
on
this
your.
big long snake.
Boy,
That snake right there.
don't get me going.
Huh?
Don't get me going.
Maybe it is working already.
But there has to be a way to like get it to shoot out.
I don't think that's the button.
Hold on, I'm about to get a video on my phone.
Damn, I know it's the, whoa. I forgot to tell you about these bikes back here. Two beach cruisers. Two beach cruisers. Oh, we can throw these on the back of the truck. We can throw these on the back of the truck and go to the beach.
You want to
Right
tomorrow
on the
morning?
beach. Hell
Get cardio
yeah.
in?
Hell yeah. I'm about to get a 9-pack. I didn't even see the float. You got floaties.
They had, look at
Another
those
table,
kayaks
another
out there. You see the kayaks?
Yeah, I ain't fucking with them kayaks. I'm not fucking with no water like that down here. They got alligators and shit in it. I know it's gotta be way too lights on. Ooh. How the fuck you turn the pool lights on? You ever see no switch on?
Let me see.
I like the bartender.
Where do you see lights at in the pool?
To be serving them drinks. All pools got lights.
No, they don't.
Right here. Look on the sidewalk.
Okay, fair enough.
See them?
Yeah.
I don't see those.
It's probably over here by the, well, no, there has to be a switch. Because you know my parents have a switch.
Outside switch?
Mm-hmm.
Where at?
I know the pool operations are over here. Stop, they have an outdoor shower.
Oh.
So cute.
And it worked.
See, this is the pool stuff.
I don't think we should touch none of this.
But there has to be just a switch.
I'm sure it's probably a manual in here somewhere. You gotta have a shit like instructions for everything, you know what I'm saying?
Dumbass. This view out here is so pretty.
Fucking with something like a player. Come on. Close this fast, man. That AC kick up drum heights. I think it was just that dingy, dirty ass shirt I had on. Motherfucker was just hot, wasn't it?
Yeah, you try to wear a dingy shirt to do this.
Damn. I I done hit air switch in here. I don't know. Man, I don't know. We gonna figure it out, y'all. Let's see. Parking. Pool services. Pool's clean weekly. Small box with red button left of outdoor grill.
I was close. No, I was closer than you. You was turn on lights in here.
Small box.
Left of grill.
Small
right here?
box with red button left of outdoor grill on top of the electrical box attached to the house wall.
Electrical box is right here.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see it.
Struggling to get into it.
It popped on.
I didn't see it.
I did.
There it is. It's on.
There we go. What we had light.
Set the tone.
Oh yeah. Down back here. Jumping. So we big jumping. We got big content coming. We got big car shows coming. We got all kind of stuff coming. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all go like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Go like the old video. Watch the old videos. I'm trying to run these numbers up, man, and help us get to 3K. We're trying to get to that 3K mark, man, by the end of this week. So yeah. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We're going to keep running these numbers up. And what we're going to get into tomorrow? I don't even know.
We have friends that we're meeting up with.
We got friends. Like I said, we got friends coming, family coming, events coming. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm going to try to at least post.
Every day.
You know what? That's going to be my goal. Do a video every day. I might get back to the everyday videos again. I've been doing 4 videos a week. I'm gonna try to get back to like 6 videos a week.
You should be able
7.
to do that.
6, 7 videos a week. So yeah. Yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, man.
We about to get in this water.
And yeah, we about to matter of fact, y'all about to hold on. How was I gonna drop them videos? I don't know how I was gonna do it. You know what? I might drop this video out of order. I might drop this video first and then drop the video of the first day of us kicking it, getting here and kicking it out here. So we're about to go to the liquor store, so make sure y'all stay tuned. I'll holler back at y'all.